I'm going to quickly show you how to activate your SSD or hard drive so that you can start using it. As you can see, I currently only have one drive shown over here, which is my C drive, but I have a new storage device connected to my PC that is not shown. To get it to show up, we need to initialize it. To do that, first right-click on Start and then click on Run. Then type in diskmgmt.msc and hit Enter. Now there should be a pop-up asking you to initialize the new drive. If you don't see this pop-up, right-click on the new drive and click on Initialize Disk. Once you are in this pop-up, make sure to select GPT as the partition type. MBR is an old file format. Once GPT is selected, click on OK. Now, you should see that your new disk says that it's online, but it's still unallocated, meaning we still can't use the drive. Let's make it usable. Right-click on the new drive and select New Simple Volume. Enter the full drive size here. We can split up the drive into partitions later if we need it. Here you can give your new drive any letter you want. In this next section, leave the default settings for the file system and allocation unit size. Feel free to name the drive whatever you want. Then finish the setup. Now you should be able to use your new drive.